The largest steam-powered tractor in operation is the 150 HP case and weighs 34,000 kilograms, 75,000 pounds, and was constructed by Anderson Industries, USA, in Webster, South Dakota, USA, in 2018. The 150 case steam engine was originally built in 1905 by the Case Company. Only 9 of these massive engines were made, and none survived. Then in 2016, Corey Anderson and his team decided to bring back the giant steam engine to life. The tractor is 7.62 meters, 25 feet, long, 4.3 meters, 14 feet, wide, and 4.3 meters, 14 feet, high, and packs a 1.4 m, 4 feet 10 in, long firebox. All this size means this tractor packs a huge punch, producing 6,800 Newton meters, 5,000 foot lb of torque. The tractor is capable of pulling 44 John Deere plows. That's the same pulling power as 10 F1 cars. The case's massive pulling power comes from a giant 14-inch bore and 14-inch stroke engine. It's a lazy 200 RPM motor that delivers all its torque from the very beginning. With that kind of weight and torque, the 150 case has a modest top speed of 5.69 miles per hour. The tractor is 7.62. Specifications: weight 75,000 pounds, 34,000 kilograms. Dimensions: 25 feet long, 14 feet wide, and 14 feet high. Firebox: 58 in long. The original 150 case tractors were sold to mines and large farms. Corey Anderson was inspired to build a replica after seeing the only remaining boiler for the original tractor. Anderson and a team of volunteers built the replica from scratch over 15,000 hours of work. The replica was named the world's largest steam-powered tractor by Guinness World Records in 2022.